kind of want that car. I mean, it looks dirty, but has 40,000 miles apparently. So I might have hinted at it in the last video. This is an R34 GTR Getrag transmission. This is a 6-speed, it is normally a pull type clutch as opposed to a push, and this one surprisingly comes with everything I needed. It comes with the front prop shaft, it comes with the transmission member for an R34 GTR, it comes with the sensors, it comes with the brackets and the vent too, it comes with the transfer case. And over here, oh good God, it's fucking heavy. 1 second. Okay, so I stripped it down. It comes with, look at that, a copper mix twin. This is a thick boy right here. And yes, this is a pull type. This one over here, because I'm very obsessive, is a push type. Now people do say that these are more complicated, but what I realize is even though it holds a little bit less power, it's so much easier to actually push down the pedal because it's a pull type. So I'll take a little bit of a sacrifice. I'll run pull just because it makes it a little bit better for street driving. Now we look inside, let's see what else we have. Let's see. So I think this is the shifter. 1 second. There it is. This is the shift lever for a Getrag transmission. Let me see if I can do it one hand. The reverse lockout. There we go. There's the reverse lockout. This is so cool. Let's see, in here, what else do we have? It also came with, believe it or not, the transmission mount. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might just get a new one. I might see the condition of it. And then lastly, we have the, I don't know what type of fork, but it's basically the fork for the throttle bearing. This is basically as complete of a Getrag transmission as I could get. We're missing one thing, which is the drive shaft. I do have a source on that locally, but either way, there's two big parts for my car that I'm super excited about. One of them is the 2.8 V-cam. The other one is this thing right here. This holds more power. It's easier to drive because of the pull type. And overall, I just think it feels better. Is it worth the insane price tag? You can decide that for yourself. Unicorn part for my GTR obtained. Well, I don't know if it's really unicorn. It was on every R34 anyway, but it's cool. It's cool. So last time I kind of hinted at this big Nissan box. You can see the Nismo logo right there, but I didn't say much about it. So this is a brand new R34 GTR transfer case. I'm pretty amazed that I found this. It is actually 100% unused, and I technically have 1.5 Getrags at this point. Well, there's my Getrag, and oh, what's that? There's no transfer, because the transfer is sitting over here, and I can't even believe this thing is used because it's beautiful. Like, look at the zinc and everything on this thing. Like, I get that side was like on the inside and stuff like that. This is still pretty cool to do. So if I turn this, it spins pretty freely. Over here, I have my Nismo copper mix twins. Selling this one, somebody surprisingly already wants to buy this. That's how rare they are. And I'm thinking about having that dry ice blasted. Alright, so this right here is the front oil pan. And I might have told you guys before, but the oil filter is located right above the diff case, and what happens is when you take that off, it just dumps shit everywhere. So this is like 30 years of grime and stuff like that. It looks nasty. I want this clean for when the engine comes back. We're gonna get this cleaned up. So about a week later, my oil pan and Getrag are finally back from laser cleaning. At first I wanted them dry ice blasted, and then I learned about laser cleaning. I was pretty skeptical at first, but it turned out to be pretty good. Now that my stuff is clean, we're going to bring it over to my friend's place, Kevin, to finally start with the first install of my new build. Oh, it's so clean. So people might not know what this is. Fat box Nismo box. This is a Nismo, well, there's nothing to show here, paperwork. GT LSD, front LSD. So normally the LSDs in these in the front are open, so you can see it does not spin at all. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this out today, reuse the ring gear. It's a ring gear. Right? Yep. And then we're going to put in the front LSD, which nobody actually has done on YouTube before. We'll be the first.
No shit.
Okay. So these are the bearings that we have to press on both sides of a diff. So one of them is on the inside and one of them is on the outside. So one of them should be right there, and then the other one should be not visible, but somewhere here. And then the moment of truth, you want to do it? Mechanical LSD. It's like you bought the part. Damn. Wow. So supposedly this thing is already like preset to a certain torque. So all we have to do is just take this bearing, right? Yeah. Bolt it on here, get the other one on the other side, and then get this bad boy out. Is there anything else inside? No, that's it. I mean, the box is cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna show your partner. I could be wrong there.
There we go.
Yeah, just go there.
And then there's the bearing, and then there is the bolts for the ring gear. So before we can take out the front diff, the rod from the other side is actually blocking it on the very, very end here. So what we have to do is we have to loosen this side, push it out slightly, then we should be able to pull out the front diff. There we go.
Rotate it this way. Okay. So to get this out, you have to have the skinny part here up, so it clears this hump in here, and this hump over here, you have room to kind of lift it up a little bit and then slide it out.
Okay, so the part on the right here, would be right there. So we have to press it in over there. And of course, that part is going to be on the top and on the bottom. Okay.
Got shim.
Oh, there's a shim there too, but we don't have that.
You must pay attention because it's got a bevel on it. I don't know if you can see that.
One side is rounded?
Yeah, so the thinner side goes in.
Okay.
Alright, what size is this? Quick.
What size? Off the top of my head, 17. Moment of truth. Am I a car guy?
Damn.
Damn. Holy shit. Oh, calm down, Holt. Are you bracing the...
Do this without dropping everything. Alright.
That's what we need. Okay, it's going.
Okay, and then I just give it a little, yeah. That's it.
We're done. Well, no, we're not done. We have to do the other side.
Oh yeah, I saw it go on there. Man, definitely nice that I left the grease on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Going smooth.
Oh, no, well, don't do it like that. Don't put your whole fist through it. And just don't knock me out. Which way are you going? Wait, it's
Going this way.
okay.
Okay, that's it.
So we are done, supposedly. I've heard online that you have to shave the case of the diff for the Nismo LSD to fit, and lo and behold, it doesn't fit at all. Because of how much bigger the LSD is, this one doesn't really slot in no matter how you turn it. So we have to go in for a little bit of surgery and start shaving down material to get this thing in. So if you take a look at it, you basically have to shave off like 4 of the corners. So what I mean by that is, for example, I think somewhere over here we have to shave off. We have to shave off a little bit over here so it can clear. Top right, and then also the bottom left. Oh, there we go.
Now we need to finesse this thing in.
By finesse, you mean hammer?
Should be able to go by hand. I guess. I feel like you don't generally want to hammer this thing in.
So we are done. I'm exhausted even though I did nothing. So if I turn it from the back, you can see the axles move as well. Oh wait, no, they're not the axles. What are they called? Whatever. It moves. We are done. Wasn't that hard. You have to shave off a little bit of material over here, on the top over here, and specifically a lot. Actually, we shaved a lot on this side. But Nismo LSD complete by him. About 2 weeks later, I get a call from the machine shop to tell me that my engine is finally complete. So Kevin and I decided to head down there to bring the RB28 home after a long 3 months of waiting.
I'm going to put this side towards the, and then you can strap across that way.
Sounds good.
Nice setup you got, man. Well, when you got to do it every day.
That's cool.
I didn't even need gloves.
That's how easy they made it for us. And they saved me all my stuff too.
Since this thing's covered in water, I'm just going to leave the bag on for now. Yeah, just I guess out of the way. So then we can put this down on something. Got the angle for the dangle.
Fuck no. Might as well just hold it at this point.
You're not feeling dangled?
I'm gonna have to mute everything. Up until this point, we've just been taking stuff off the car and ripping things apart, but this engine coming back is the first huge swing in the other direction. It took a while, but we're finally gonna start putting on some of those new parts. Before that, I'm gonna show you my new RB28. So starting from the bottom, we have an HKS Step 0 stroker kit paired with some ACO bearings. The rods are H-beam Carrillos, and we have HKS 86.5mm pistons with relief for our new Step 2 V-cam. So on the head we have Ferrea valves, oversized on the exhaust side with slight porting of the exhaust bulbs for better airflow. I told them specifically that I didn't really want to do anything to the factory bumps, and they do help redirect airflow into the exhaust manifold, so we left everything as it is. We've also taken the time to swap over to HKS valve springs, HKS valve stem seals, and GSC valve guides and retainers. Besides the block and the head, which were refinished, blasted, honed, whatever, everything is completely new to give a refresh to my favorite car. But next time, we're gonna start putting everything together. Bye.